Mexican beetle, in scientific name Ephelachna varivistis, is a species of lady beetle that can be an agricultural pest. Beetles that feed on plants rather than other insects. This bug has a national in Mexico, that's why this is called Mexican beetle. But this beetle has spreads in other countries. In our observation video, the habits and behavior of Mexican beetles mostly enjoy in the human garden since gardens are typically moist and filled with AC source of foods. Also, females deposit their eggs under surface of leaves. This is the cycle when the female lay the eggs and turn into mature between 7th and 15th week, with a peak during 9th week due to ecological conditions. The adults is darkened with age until they become orange-brown, and the black spots are less conspicuous. The males are smaller, so this is female by having a small snatch on the ventral side of the last abdominal segment. Some beetles make sounds, usually scraping their mouth parts together or rubbing their legs on their bodies. The life cycle of Mexican beetle that both adults and larvae feed on leaf, flower or pod tissue. Adult beetles may eat the fruit but generally prepare the leaves. Feeding damage is most prevalent from skeletonization where beetles feed on parenchyma of the leaves from other side, leaving the upper epidermis intact. This gives the leaf a lacy appearance. The larvae generally do much more damage than adults. Feeding occurs on snap peas and lima beans, the mung bean plants, the red clover plant, and other beetle types. This insect has been so detrimental to production. There are studies devoted understanding its behavior and learning way to control it. This is the taxonomy of Mexican beetle.